welcome my people. Good day. Wherever you're watching for, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment your most favorite actor or actress in this series, Koleoso. Just stay tuned for the next series because we'll be receiving more powerful veterans in Koleoso, the coming series, and who can imagine that someone like Kevin Keduba can possess such power as Ifa? Just stay tuned for more drama, more magic, more deep connections, and more powerful scenes in the next series. Thank you very much, our viewers. Please like, comment, and share.